Alright, looks like we got some others doing the dock walk. A little sand play right there. Yeah. That's right, yep. Making some creations. We got some other people doing the dock walk here. And before it all closes for the year. Well, boys, looks like we got just one today. Besides the main two. Let's go check it out. All right. Here we go. This is a good way to end the dock year right there. All right. Nice. Twins.
Oh yeah.
In charge. Man, they're at peace right there. I know. Man. All right. Oh, we got one docking, boys. All right, DNR. Let's see what we got today. This one is not familiar. I think it's a new one, buddy. So we gotta. Looks like a couple Coast Guards there. One Coast Guard, two Coast Guards over there. This bad boy coming in for a dock. And let's see what this thing is here. Ooh, look at the top of that thing. It's like a dome with surrounded glass. Boy, is that cool right there. And then the inside, oh my gosh, there's even like a flower. See there's flowers in there? A couple little flowers. And then the bottom part, oh man. Yeah, I think I've seen this thing before. Montego Bay. Swoosh, Montego Bay. This thing looks familiar. This outside deck with the little table and the stools. I feel like I've seen that model before. This is the Aquila DNR, but that top part is not, and it's got a bed. It's like a little, it's like either a couch or a bed or both, and it's like a couple of them. Man, that is a hell of a boat. And over here we got the Smokey Robinson boat. I say that because it's go-go. Go into a go-go. Getting it going there. It's like it's pulling back out. I don't know. It's like he didn't want to pay for the dock fee or something. Whew. All right, it's been a great year of the dock. Let's take a last look at the glistening waters one last time. Nice sunny day, a little wind. Boat heading out. They closed the dock on November, so this could be it, guys, for the dock walks 2023. Been some fun ones this year. Look at the stern of the Serenity, coming in 3D, like Friday the 13th Part 3 3D. We wear some 3D glasses for that. See you guys next year for the boat walks, the dock walks. It came on the sloop John D. Ace, Leopard, and me. Proves it's possible to be polite. Whoa. He is the best guy we have on Wire Club. Nantucket, Nantucket, Massachusetts. Go. That is DNR's boat right there. Nantucket, Massachusetts. What a way to close out the year of the dock walks.